Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's becoming more and more a part of our everyday lives, fintech. But you might be wondering what exactly fintech is. Well, the term fintech is short for financial technology, and it's all about using the latest technology to make financial services more accessible, efficient, and user-friendly. Fintech is an industry that is rapidly growing and evolving, and chances are you're already using fintech in ways you might not even realize. Let's start with something you're probably familiar with: mobile banking. Remember the last time you checked your account balance or transferred money using your phone? That's a fintech in action. Banks have embraced this technology to give us the convenience of banking from our smartphones. No need to wait in line at the bank to pay bills or send money, because everything is just a few clicks away. Now, think about how we send and receive money these days. Apps like Google Pay, PayPal, and other UPI apps have made digital payments so seamless. For splitting the bill at dinner and shopping online, these platforms allow for instant peer-to-peer payments. You don't need cash or checks anymore, as your phone can act as your financial partner in no time. Let's speak about investments now. Even investments are becoming more accessible with fintech innovations like robo advisors. These are automated platforms that use algorithms to manage investments based on your preferences. It's like having your own financial advisor without a high fee. Robo-advisors are perfect for people who want to begin investing without needing tons of capital or expertise. We can't talk about fintech without mentioning cryptocurrency and blockchain. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, right? Well, that's just one example of a cryptocurrency. What makes crypto special is the technology behind it. And what about the technology behind it? It is blockchain. Blockchain offers secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions, and it has the potential to change industries far beyond just finance, like supply chain management and real estate. There's more. Fintech doesn't stop at banking and payments. It's also revolutionizing insurance and compliance. With InsurTech, data analytics helps create personalized insurance plans and streamlines the whole process from signing up to making claims. Meanwhile, RegTech helps companies stay compliant with financial regulations by automating risk management. These are just more ways with which fintech is making our lives easier and businesses more efficient. So, why does all this matter? Well, fintech is reshaping the entire financial scenario. It's making services faster, cheaper, and more accessible for everyone. Whether you're a consumer looking for a convenience or a businessman seeking efficiency, fintech is driving us towards a future of more innovation, more transparency, and more opportunity. We can simply say that fintech is changing how we interact with money. And trust me, this is only the beginning. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, like and share this video. To learn more insightful videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.